Hello my friends, how are you today? I'm Andreas from Motorfanatics and welcome back to another video. Today is a rather short and simple update. We will keep working on the calipers, and if you hear anything in the background, it's probably because of wind. 2 weeks ago we had strong snowfall. Last week we had very low temperatures. Now we've got strong gusts of wind, around about 100 kilometers an hour. There's something new every week. But nonetheless, here we go. If you guys remember last time, the last thing we did was giving the front caliper parts first coat of paint. Obviously, the first coat never covers perfectly, and that's why we're going to scuff the first coat a little bit up with a little bit of rest of Scotch-Brite pad, and if anything red or bare metal shows, that's not a big deal because they will get another coat anyway. As you guys might hear, there's a lot of action outside. That's because it's really windy. While I'm here, I can measure the size of this face here, because I wanted to make some new stickers. We've got a maximum of 10 centimeters and a maximum height of 45. There's a small stripe which sits higher than the rest, which is roughly 25 mil. And the old calipers have such a stripe as well, just looking a little different. 10, 25. And a length of around about 50. 50 to 10 is the 50 by 10 in millimeters is the size on the old Sumitomo rear calipers. 50 by 10 times 2, 100 by 20. Something like that, probably. Should fit. 100 by 20. Note that. That will be asked in the test. Now for taping everything off. How can we do this the most elegant way? Can we do this in any elegant way? That's not working at all. That sucks. Nope. No, there's no chance in hell. Now we can probably try with the camera. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's much better. Come on, stay there. Oh, that's a little bit low. Here we go. Getting it a little bit down here and there. Here we go. Now the cable tie to snugly secure everything. Watching that the cable tie doesn't pull anything up. Here we go. The other side looks. Come on, focus. Are you kidding me? Hello, you dingus. Oh great, you can focus on that. Now focus on that. Yeah, camera won't let me. But it works, trust me. Just cutting that off. Here we go. And the other side. Whoop. Getting a good amount of tape. Getting it around there. Oh, didn't leave myself a lot of place this time, but oh, we will somehow, some way get in there. Here we go. We are in there some way. First side, second one. Now it's a little bit tricky because I don't want to glue these two together. That might cause a problem later on while painting. And here we go. Of course, this is nowhere as sophisticated as we did for the front calipers, but this will also do the trick. Here we go. Adjusting. Made up seals. Now we only need to put a wire through there and can hang this one as well. Well guys, that was my landlord, the knocking you just heard, and my landlord suggested I'd, as long as this storm keeps going, I'd go back home into my brick and mortar home and not stay in this better shed, and I'm inclined to do that. Yeah, because of that what you just heard. So guys, let's just be quick and summarize what we achieved today in this little time we had together. So we took down the front calipers, sanded them again, cleaned them again, and hung them up again for second coat. We found a miracle way to cover up the pistons of the rear calipers. Found a very interesting way for the small bits and pieces of the front calipers. Actually the plan was to paint these calipers and the other ones behind me right now, but yeah, I hope we see each other next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you live next week. Bye!